Hi guys, sorry for the delay. So let's start video today. Our app is about currency converter. So we are just doing it just on using a radio buttons and once by submit button. So just first I'm just giving an text to you. I want just delete this thing. Starting from first, I want to give a text to. I just come and drag this, keep it in the center. Now we need a radio button. First we need a text to enter us. Basically it's a number currency, so I'm just keeping a text number here. Now I want to add radio button, so I'm just going to button clicks, and first I need to add a radio group. So just click here, just drag this. And now we are adding radio buttons. Three radio buttons I'm taking, and just one normal button. Just keeping down here. So I'm just giving text as currency converter. And for this I'm going to code now. I'm just adding hint in the text field. So and draw it hint, just giving enter my unknown number. So you can see it here. So it's added in text. We have to add it in edit view. You can see here now. And let's go back to the design and just say override the names of the buttons. I'm taking as this dollar, and second one as euros, uh, third one as dinar, and here I'm just changing to button the text default one to submit. So here we just have implemented all our things. Let's go back to the Java file and just start our coding. So here we have first text file, so just import that text view T and one edit text E and one button B and radio buttons. So radio buttons. So there are three buttons, so I'm just giving RB1 comma RB2 comma RB3. Now I'm just connecting all this to the XML file and Java file. So I'm just clicking T equals to find view by ID. So I'm getting to resource. So odd dot ID dot. So we can just see here text view, and key is same by the similar way we have to find it for the we have to connect the text file also, odd dot ID dot text view. So edit view is edit view, text number, and now declaring button B is equals to find view by ID or dot ID dot button. Now declaring the same way with RB1 equals to find view by ID or dot ID dot radio button. Similarly, declaring another two variables, RB2 is equals to find view by ID or dot ID dot button 2. RB3 is equals to find view by ID or dot ID dot radio button 3. So we have just connected everything. Now when we click on the button submit, it should be this, it should convert. So we just start it by setting the b dot set on click listener new view dot. So it just default it will come abstract method, and we have to just do the coding. So first of all, I'm taking the values from the text. So I'm just declaring as double a is equals to double, because defaultly it will be in string. I'm just converting dot and set double d dot get text dot to string. So we have just take that variable and just put it in our value, and just put it in a k variable. Now we have to check which boxes has been radio boxes. So radio boxes difference and check boxes is radio boxes can be selected only once. So I'm just using for loop, sorry if loop, and I'm just clicking rb1 dot is checked. Then we have to create another variable, like say double k1 is equals to k plus 80, because sorry, k into 80, because it roughly 1 rupees and almost 80, so dollars. So we are just creating it, and we are just sending it to the e edit text number. So we have to just e dot set text, and in that we have to be converted again back to the string. So string dot format, I want to just keep up to 2 decimals, so I'm just giving percentage point 2f, and the text is k1. And if you want to make those, it's also possible. Those dot make text main activity dot this capital main dot this. So it will represent that it is in this context, and you can just paste it here simply. Cut this. And those dot, so I want to keep in a short. Yeah, similarly you just copy it and dot show. Definitely it should be there, otherwise it won't display anything for me. Just copying this and just using else. And second one is euros, so I'm just keeping it around 100, and here on d2. and else. If you want, you can add a name. Euros. Dollars. Just paste it here. It's around 218. So I'm just giving a number from there and edit to dinar. So the code is done. I just implemented it, and if you want to change the color, you can just go it and change it here for this all the things. Let me show you a simple. Let's just go to the play and just go to the radio button and just enter Android background color, and you can choose anything you want here. I'm just using this. And if you want to change here, just click on the button here and just go to custom, and you can select whatever value you need. So I'm just basically selecting this as default. It shows its value, extra value, and I'm just pasting it all over here. Yeah, I think our code is ready to launch. Yeah, just shall we run it and see. It takes some time to just load the emulator because almost it needs a 4 GB RAM to just run it. So I'll come with more videos. If you like, share and subscribe. It gives me a support so that I could get some motivation to do the videos also. So I'm hoping you all like this video. I think it has been installed. We just forgot to click buttons, I mean constraints, so that it's being displaying like that. Just go to the main book activity and it just flip you to design. Just go to design and just put the constraint so that it will be work properly. Yeah, we just copy it and run it over again. So here we have just changed, I mean, I just divided by 80 so that can be converted to into dollars and everything else. So just I'm going to run it. Yeah, just stopping it and restarting it. So just installing the app. Here we go. I'm just entering well, like let's say 80, and I'm selecting dollars and just clicking on submit. It's showing $1. So this is how we can make it, and this is a small correction you have to do it. And thanks for watching video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe.